Hi, this is Marcin from the Autenti team. In this edition, leasing a car in just 13 minutes and recap our latest workshops with industry experts. Let's get started. Think getting a car lease takes days? Well, not with Autenti. Our partner, VEHIS, finalized the entire process in just 13 minutes, live on Kanał Zero. From selecting the car to getting the lease decision. How is that possible? The key was the remote, fully digital signature provided by Autenti. It's the best proof that online leasing really works. Find out more at the link in this video's description. Mind that technology isn't everything. It's just as important to know how to use it legally and effectively. That's why, together with the Polish Vehicle Rental and Leasing Association, we organize workshops for industry leaders. We discuss the key legal aspects of electronic contracts, remote identity verification, and the benefits of certified delivery. A huge thank you for everyone for their active participation. We need your votes. We've been nominated for Aulery All-Stars award. Help Autenti get on the podium. Cast your vote. Link in the description. That's all for today. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a bit. See you next time.